my channel, Remarkable Way1. Today I am going to do unboxing of Dogman book. Dogman is a hardcover and it's the first book in the awesome Dogman comic series. And firstly, when I start unboxing, I would like you all to like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to click the bell button. So let's unbox this. This is bought from Flipkart. And it's a comic book. I think it must be 250 pages and it's very interesting. It's by Pilkey. So, firstly I will. So this is the wonderful Dogman book. It is made by the creator of Captain Underpants. Dan-da-da! So you can see it's made by Pilkey and it tells about Dogman. It's a comic book and it's very funny comic book. I would like to say one more thing, which is that this is very interesting and funny, and you should also read this. Reading is a very good habit. That's why I have a library. And here you can see this is the first book in the series. So, in this, there is Dogman, who always saves the day. And it's made by two kids called George Beard and Howard Hutchins. They make their own comics about Dogman. So last but not least, I would like to say that if anyone wants to start their reading habit, they should start by reading this comic book, which is very easy to read and very funny. It will increase the habit of reading. Now I will read.